Welcome to this Cadmatic electrical tutorial on creating product models from EDZ files. In Cadmatic Electrical, product models are predefined parts that include graphical symbols and technical data representing components used in your designs. These models can be created manually, or they can be generated automatically by importing data from EDZ files. In this video, we'll focus on importing an EDZ file downloaded from an equipment manufacturer's portal. To start, go to the Electrical tab and find the EDZ import icon. Select the parts you need to import into your project, and then choose the additional documents and graphical symbols for both multi-line diagrams and cabinet layout drawings. You also have the option to map the data fields in the EDZ files to align with your default data field definitions. Once you've mapped and imported the parts, you can save these product model definitions for future use across the entire design team. Select OK and the import to Electrical will start. The new symbols will be created and transferred to be product models, and you can inspect your product models right after the import is done. Notice there's 3 different symbols imported, and also the additional information contains all the documents, images, and also other information about the product. Now you have a product model, so you can start inserting symbols to your drawing. Notice that symbol spacing matches Electrical's grid. All imported symbols are compatible with other electrical drawings. Insert the symbols as any other devices. Give ID, and you can see those devices are also found in the project tree. In Cadmatic Electrical, product models provide full control over device templates and data management. They let you manage device data, symbols, technical information, and pins in a single interface. With product models, you can apply automatic updates to devices after making edits, eliminating the need to adjust devices individually. This streamlines navigation and makes it easy to display metadata in your electrical documents and reports. You can also update the information for your already existing product models. In this case, this I/O card will be updated since it has no cabinet layout symbol. In this case, we select only the cabinet layout symbol and start importing by checking the Update option. From the product model, you can see that there is now a cabinet layout symbol. You can insert that one to cabinet layout drawing.